Are you a woman who enjoys beautiful things? 34/5 Lifestyle has lovely, unique accessories for your everyday look and also for those special occasions. Click the link below to check out our latest accessory collection. Hey lady, welcome or welcome back to your new favorite talk show for Christian women, Grown Lady Chat. In today's episode, I am sharing with you my current nighttime skincare routine for my maturing skin. I'm sharing all of my products and tips. Hope you enjoy. So before I start any skincare or touch my face, I like to wash my hands. Ooh, I almost forgot to put on my little wrist cuffs. These help prevent water from running down my wrists and into my pajamas. Ugh, I hate that. I like to start off with double cleansing when I'm wearing makeup because I have a lot more product on my face. So I like to go in with some kind of micellar cleansing water or cleansing jelly because that helps to break down the makeup as well as my SPF protection. And for today, I'm using the Neutrogena Micellar Cleansing Jelly. So using a cleansing balm or a cleansing jelly or micellar water or even makeup removal wipes, it really preps your skin for your face wash. Alrighty, so I've washed off the cleansing jelly and now I'm going to go in with my foaming face wash. And I'm using the Panoxyl Acne Foaming Wash. It has 10% benzoyl peroxide and it helps to clear existing acne and it also helps prevent new breakouts from forming. And it's maximum strength, but you don't need a prescription. Now, even though it says that it's a foaming face wash, I find that it doesn't really foam on my skin very much, but I still try and work it into a good lather. I'm really taking my time to wash my face. All right, we don't want to speed through this cleansing phase, and you want to massage your cleanser in your skin for at least 1 minute. All the little black things you see on my face, that's my mascara. So if you're wondering what that is, don't be alarmed, it's just mascara. So now my skin is nice and clean, but it doesn't feel tight or too dry. I only use the Panoxyl in the evenings, whether I'm wearing makeup or not. I don't use this twice a day because of the 10%. I feel like it might be too harsh for my skin. So in the morning, I use a different cleanser. It's this Eclat cleanser, and it does have benzoyl peroxide in there, but it's only 2.5%. For quite a few years now, I've stopped using regular towels to dry my skin. Instead, I use these disposable paper towels. Now, as we mature and age, we want to pay attention to the problematic areas. So wrinkles, fine lines, crow's feet, as well as dark circles around the eyes. In one of my Ipsy subscriptions, I got this Osea Eye serum, and I've been using it consistently. I think it works really well. Age-defying eye serum, and it's a hydrating gel that addresses all signs of aging around the eyes, including the look of fine lines, crow's feet, and dark circles. And anytime I put on eye cream or serum, I always use my ring fingers because they are delicate enough to apply the cream or the serum without causing damage to the delicate skin around your eyes. Okay, let's do a quick debate session in the comment section. So episode 59, I did a live Q&A where I answered your questions. And in the conversation, the discussion of coloring your hair or letting your grays shine through, that conversation came up. So let me know in the comment section, are you team gray hair or team dye your hair? I usually say that I will pin my response in the comment section, but lady, I'm not sure whether I'm going to dye my hair when it turns gray or if I'm just going to, be a nice silver cutie. Anytime you're applying creams, serums, moisturizers, you always want to go from the thinnest or the lightest product to the heaviest or thicker product. So I'm going to go in now with my toner. And the toner that I've been using is the Ultra Tonic Watermelon Extract Facial Toner, and it has hyaluronic acid, as well as citrus extract and grape extracts, along with watermelon extract, and they help to gently remove dead skin cells while promoting regeneration of new baby soft skin. This specific product says you can either use a cotton pad or you can gently pat the product into your skin. Now, if I were dealing with a severe acne breakout, then I would use an astringent instead. And the astringent that I like to use is the Seabreeze Sensitive Skin Astringent. It deep cleans and it does have a tingling but refreshing feeling. For my nighttime skincare routine, I do a little bit more than my daytime skincare routine. So this is the routine where I like to layer on multiple serums and creams and moisturizers to really help my skin throughout the night when I'm sleeping, because that's usually a good time for your body to turn over new cells and to repair itself. So currently I've been using this Biro New York Celery AHA plus LHA Resurfacing Serum. And you have to shake it up to mix it right before you use it. And I'll just put a few drops. And then for this, I'm going to gently massage it into my skin. I'm going to massage them on my neck as well, because you always want to carry your skincare down into your neck and your décolletage area, because signs of aging can also impact your neck as well as your chest. And then whatever's left over, lady, rub it on your hands, okay? If you have watched any of my skincare episodes, you know that I rave about the importance of collagen, retinol, and hyaluronic acid. Now, I'm sure there are other really important ingredients that we should be using in our skincare, but throughout my research and experience, those are three of the important ones that we should be focusing on as we age. So I have recently begun to use the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and it delivers deep hydration to plump the appearance of fine lines. Yes, we like that. A little bit more for the neck. As you can see, my skin is looking very dewy, very glowy, and that's okay. Usually I like to have a more matte look, but I have naturally oily skin, so these products are just enhancing my natural oils. I'm not mad at it, but definitely at nighttime, I look like a glowworm once I'm done with my skincare routine. But the goal is to plump our skin, hydrate our skin, give our skin what it needs so that during the daytime, it looks how we want for it to look. Now I want to address the acne scars that have developed. So I'm going in with my faded skin cream, and it's the brightening and clearing serum, and it's good for uneven skin tone and acne scars. Now this faded cream does not smell pleasant at all, but it is really effective. Another one that I like to use is the Good Molecules serum. I've really been enjoying that one, but I'm all out, so I'm using my faded cream instead. But both Good Molecules and faded, I like using them. They are really, really good. They have definitely been lightening my acne scars. My skin looks so plump and hydrated and healthy right now. Like, yes, there is definitely a glow to it, but it's a healthy glow. It looks so good. And all the products that I'm using, they are aging gracefully products. They're anti-aging products. But I've mentioned before that I don't like to say anti-aging because it has like a negative connotation to aging, but instead we want to age gracefully. Now for any active pimples I have, I like to go in with specific acne cream, and this one is the PCA Skin. So I just take just a little bit and put it on any active pimples that I have, massage it in really, really well. Even if they're tiny, tiny pimples, I like to go ahead and just get a jump on it, you know? Oh, this is almost done. Oh no. Now this is what I do pretty much every night. There are some nights where I go in with like really extensive skincare and different gadgets that I like to use. So if you'd like, I can share that as well, because I do have specific skincare gadgets that I've really been enjoying, and I can share those with you. So for about 2 years or so, I've been using Curology, and Curology is a prescription-based skincare line, and you chat with a dermatologist who's assigned to you. So you send them photos of your skin, you tell them any skin concerns you have, any medical issues that you might have, and then they take all that information and they tailor a prescription for you, whether you want the face wash, moisturizer plus the treatment, or if you just want the actual prescription treatment. So for me, I have found benefit with the prescription treatment. So in my prescription, it has tretinoin 0.07, clindamycin phosphate 1%, and azelaic acid 2%. And I only do this at night. Alrighty, so now it's time to moisturize my skin. Now, I know you're looking and you're like, Dr. Sherunda, your skin looks like a glowworm. I know, but we still need to seal all of that goodness in with a high quality moisturizer. Now, I've already shared this with you before on a previous video, but I've done something since that video. I've actually switched the AM cream, I use it at night, and the nighttime cream, I use it during the day. So the hyaluronic acid cream is intensive moisture, and it really is. It's so thick, it's so creamy, and it definitely plumps my skin lovely. However, because I have oily skin, it was a bit much for me during the day. I felt as though my skin was just looking too oily, too greasy, but I love the way it feels when I use it overnight, because when I wake up in the morning, my skin feels so plump and bouncy, and it looks so very healthy. And I found that this routine actually works better for my skin. So again, my AM cream I use at night, and the nighttime cream I use in the daytime. It feels so silky, like even just applying it to my skin, it feels extremely silky and just so smooth and definitely hydrating, which is what I want. But during the day, I did notice it was just a little too moisturizing. Hey lady, are you a woman who loves the Lord and who also enjoys beautiful things? Well, if you are, then you are personally invited to join my exclusive Christian women's group. In this group, we chat about clothes, beauty, home decor, parenting, marriage, cooking, and of course, our Christian walk. It's Christian lifestyle all-encompassing. So be sure to join by clicking the link below. I hope to chat with you soon. Now back to our show. And I try to remind myself anytime I'm putting on creams or lotions to, use an upward motion when I'm massaging it into my skin and my neck, because we don't want to give gravity any encouragement. You know what I mean? So yeah, try and remember to just massage in an upward fashion versus dragging your skin down, especially on your neck. Okay, I'm going to get it all over. All right, so, my skin feels so soft. It feels so soft and hydrated. And with the lights in here, it also looks a bit more aggressive when it comes to the shine and the glow. But don't be afraid to do all of these extra steps at night, because you're giving your skin what it needs. And let me tell you, when you wake up in the morning, after you give your skin all the goodness and it's able to soak it up overnight, you will be so glad you did. Now this next step is for the ladies who like to be a bit extra and you're really invested, okay? Like you're planning on doing Benjamin Buttonhole goals like me. If you are, then I highly suggest you invest, after doing your own research, invest into LED or red light therapy as well as EMF treatments. Now, I like to enjoy certain amenities and treatments from the comfort of my own home. So a few years ago, I worked with a brand, Career Spark, and they gifted me a skincare tool. It gives LED light, RF sonic, and EMS sonic treatments. Some nights I'll go in with my all over LED mask that has the full face and the neck attachment. But if I'm in a rush, then I'll grab my Career Spark tool, and I like to use the LED setting specifically because there are so many benefits to using red light therapy on your skin, especially when it comes to anti-aging or aging gracefully, right? So again, if you are really invested and you really want to go the extra mile, then make the investment. You deserve it, right? And then I'll turn on the RF Sonic with that, and I'll turn it to the highest level. All the products that I've used, I will tag below if you're interested in checking them out. Again, if you want to know about all of my skincare gadgets, then let me know by commenting down below and I can get that video done for you. Alrighty, lady, that is it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comment section if there's any other skincare video or personal care video that you'd like for us to chat about here on Grown Lady Chat. Again, I will tag everything down in the description box. If you have any questions, just let me know. All right, don't forget to answer the question of the day. Are you team gray or team dye? Okay, let me know. Remember, I am Dr. Sherunda Simone, and I will either see you at the top or from the top. You decide. Bye.